Diba? Okay, basic.
Yes po. First
Yes.
Miss Andrea, congratulations for this project.
Thank you! Yes, I'm so happy. Hindi pa nagsisink in, pero
Dapat namin pong abangan yan. But my question for you
Yes.
is, how was your preparation for this project, and also how was it working with Alden Richards, of course?
okay. First one, preparation. Not so much. Of course, I know naman the context of my role, and you know, I have somehow some experiences in my archive that I was able to use in that particular scene. And yeah, that's the only preparation. I know that's my character. Of course, it's very important for us actors to know our lines. So those are basically the preparation. Second is, what was it like to work with Adam? Wow, I was so surprised.
Yes.
Because syempre, I just only look at him as a heartthrob. And I never thought that he's that smart, eloquent, and talagang he knows what he's doing. And I had a conversation with him earlier, well, in between our scenes, wherein I saw the depth. I felt the depth of this guy. We're talking about integrity of his character. We're talking about, you know, sticking to, you know, yung moral, yung standards ng character niya and all. So I'm like, okay, here we go. And it was impressive to work with him.
And I can see, and we can see naman na he's very gentle. Man, diba? Nakikita
Super
namin behind the
gentleman.
camera.
He's so pogy. I was trying not to fall for him. And then, he's somehow my son here.
Maging successful po ba yung affair?
Hindi. Alam niyo yan. No, but, so yun, nakakadagdag sa kagupuhan niya yung depth niya as a person, and of course his talent as an actor, as a director. So he's like, you know, like all of the above. What else can we ask for from him, right? So yeah, and I'm so happy to be able to see that, because it is the first time we work together. It's the first. And I think there's a lot of first in this movie, and I'm so happy that, you know, it's somehow like a cameo role, but at least I'm part of it.
Speaking of integrity, yes, di ba sa 30 Linen
Oh, yes.
lawyer ka?
Yes,
And-
attorney, yes.
Ngayon si Aldo naman ang ano, di ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
naman yung
Pinasa.
So ano ba
Yes.
kayo? Nag-exchange
Mas
notes
mabait
kayo
si
sa loob?
attorney Alex kesa kay attorney Olga. Yes.
Any Christmas plans?
Oh, the family, my hubby and I, with our kids, are going to Dubai for Christmas and Boracay for New Year's. So, yes, to escape everybody. I'm just kidding. So, yun.
So aside from this, what will you be working on in 2024? Yung mga projects?
Oh, I have a project with GMA. We are taping right now. It's ongoing, I think, till the first quarter of next year. It's called Makiling, starring Derek and
Elle Villanueva.
Elle Villanueva.
I thought Sangre, parang pagbabalik ng may Eteria.
May
Oh,
Eteria
no,
bang comeback?
Yeah, gusto ko rin yun. It's a nice show. Yeah. So that, and what else am I doing? Pedro Penduko. I'm also
You're
part
part
of
of
that. It's the official entry of Viva to the Manila Film Festival, but I won't be here.
Are you good or bad?
unfortunately.
What is your role there po?
I think I am good that became bad. No, sorry. I am bad that became good. Something like that.
Iba naman.
Andrea, do you still have any dream role na until now hindi mo pa nagawa?
Dream role? Alam mo, natap yung dementia. You know, because of yung mga ganong theme ng movies, I recently just asked my, a relative about my history. Like, do I have that? And it would be interesting to portray a role na somehow similar to that. Kasi apparently I was told that my grandmother died of it. Amnesia siya, I don't know, amnesia.
Dementia.
Something.
Yun unti-unti nakakalimutan. Dementia.
So, yun pa lang, to the top of my head, yun ang parang una ko naisip. Fighting.
Aside from Alden Richards, sino po yung gusto niyo pong makatrabaho sa ABS or GMA?
Sino?
Mga
Wow. Okay, sino? Miss Dali De Leon?
Yeah.
Of course, di ba? I mean,
Award-winning.
maganda yung story niya. It's like a Cinderella story. Especially for us actors, And yes, just to be able to, sit down with her, just like what I did with Alden, pick her thoughts, di ba? Her brain. And just to understand her journey as an actor.
Kumbaga continuous learning po talaga, no?
Yeah, never-ending learning. I've been in the business. Recently, I was able to talk to somebody who I worked with 30 years ago. And I'm like, oh God, it's been 30 years.
Yeah, that's too long.
Yes. Too long. Too long talaga.
30
Yeah.
years.
Speaking of kapamilya, kapuso, we have this streaming, di ba? Kung saan nagsasama unlike before.
Yes.
So, uso ngayon yung mga K-drama adaptations like What's Wrong with Secretary. So, ano
Yes.
masasabi mo, di ba, yung mga bago na bubuong love team like si Kim Chu and Paolo Abelino?
It's so interesting. It's so nice that I don't even want to start to watch any K-drama. Kasi I'll be hooked on it. I tried once.
What is it?
Because I was supposed to do Broken Marriage Vows. And they asked me to watch the
ABS.
Korean
Yeah.
adaptation. That was the first time I watched a
Full.
full
Which is revenge.
full-on
Yeah.
Korean telenovela and I got so hooked.
Super.
And like, ganun pala talaga sila. So,
Iba.
lately I don't watch so much, although I'm watching The Crown. So, yeah.
Ano dapat yung role mo?
Supposed to be.
The friend of Jodie Santa Maria. But unfortunately, it was a lock-in taping in Baguio, so I couldn't do it because I had to leave my daughter. And I don't think we were allowed to take our kids with us.
Last question na lang.
Yes.
What's the secret to staying young? Actually, pwede pa
Youthful,
mag-boyfriend
younger.
ng Alden Richard.
Actually.
Ano ba? Wow! I really, it's nice to, ano ba? How do I stay young? Have a young partner, younger partner. No, he's only 4 years younger. That's number one. Number two is I don't smoke, I don't drink. Or at least I stopped drinking 6 years already.
Healthy
And-
lifestyle.
Yeah, and then I do a lot of sports. My hobby is a professional polo player and I learned the sports as well. So I learned how to play. And yeah, that's basically it. Simple. Eat healthy, eat right, and have a positive outlook in
Yes!
Go!
Last question. Last time I interviewed you,
Yeah.
may injury ka, di ba? Tapos you had
Oh
to shoot.
gosh,
Yeah.
that was that time.
Pero ngayon, wala namang...
It took me a year to recover, but I'm fine now. I guess because I'm a spring chicken, that it took me a year to recover. But I'm back. I'm okay naman.
Thank you very much, Miss Andrea.
Sabay ka na.